Good morning. Yeah, no coffee this morning. I mean, I had coffee, but no coffee during this video because I've already been up for 2+ hours. I just need to put some, this is what I listed over the last couple days. And let me see, 100, 250, 350. I've done 350 new listings over the last couple days. And like I said, I do 50 per tab, unsleeved. And I just fill in on the back. The thumbnail, I should probably just concentrate on doing this before I talk about the thumbnail. Can I do two things at once? I'll try. So I did, since I was up early, I went to bed, I don't know, 10, read till, 11? I think I fell asleep pretty quick. But, yeah, woke up probably around 4:30 or so. Pretty good dream. One of those ones you kind of like, you hope you kind of stay in that sleep and that dream stage. Is that REM or whatever? But anyway, I got out of bed at like 10 till 5. I'm wondering if I'm in that stage of old madness where, I can operate on 5 hours or 3 hours of sleep, but I'm a little tired right now. So anyway, I did the thumbnail. I did an end and relist, 10,000 items this morning. Hour and a half, 45 minutes to end, and then 45 minutes to relist. I don't do sell similar. Just too many people with too many issues, losing listings, duplicating listings. And so I just do end and relist. And one of the videos, probably 2 years ago, I'm not sure if it's still available or not, but I did a comparison because I had two stores at the time. One was all airplanes and my regular main store. And I did end and sell similar on one, probably the smaller store, and then end and relist. And I did a week comparison of the traffic and stats. I can't remember if there was really that much difference. I think, if I remember right, and I'm not going to watch it, I'll see if I can link it, but I think that end and sell similar maybe had more traffic, and it's kind of comparing pears and Asian pears. They're kind of same, but kind of different. Apples and oranges is probably too far, because, one was all airplanes, so you had people looking for airplanes, and then the other one was all my regular postcards. So, it's kind of a comparison. Probably having a general store with all sorts of, two general stores with all sorts of items would probably be a better comparison. But anyway, I think end and sell similar was a little bit better, but the problems because I lost listings, so it's offset by losing listings. I don't want to lose listings. Although if you lose listings, there is a way to get them back if you have 6-bit. That might be a members video coming up. So anyway, it was the end and relist today. It was like when I wake up early, 5 o'clock, it's 2 o'clock on the West Coast. I kind of think, it's early on the East Coast, late on the West Coast, maybe not a whole bunch of people, flooding eBay servers. So that's when I like to do my big end and relists. And very first end, and can only end 200 at a time, which kind of sucks. The very first ending of the 200 listings, I got an HTTP 531 error, which I don't even know what that is. So you click back or refresh. It won't even refresh. But anyway, get back. And sure, the listings were ending very, very slowly. But they did end. And I kept that up for 45 minutes doing the ending. So anyway, I got it done. And what I'll do now, why did I click on that, is those 10,000 that I ended and relisted, I'll blast out like 35% off offers, something like that. So I think something just sold. Because I thought when I looked at stuff, I only had something sold. I only had 100 or 10 orders. So yesterday was a little bit better. I know I'm scatterbrained again. I'm tired. So yeah, okay, nothing today, but yesterday, 132. So I like nice little steady progression. So I guess another order didn't sell. So anyway, 121. So we'll get these packed or pulled anyway. Man, really, again, scatterbrained this morning. Did a lot yesterday again. Can't say that again. I've harnessed anything. But it's nice trying to be consistent. Got a lot of stuff done. Listed more cards, some really high value cards yesterday. Hopefully they sell. Today, like yesterday, it was just almost all airplane cards. And today, I think I got one airplane card. Just listed yesterday. One airplane card. A17. But walked to the post office yesterday. That was amazing. It's rainy out today. Ugh. Something did just sell. So I don't want to walk. I do not want to walk. But try to keep myself honest. I think I do. I probably will. Just need to. Just really need to get off my ass and move it. So 4 days of pretty good activity. Hopefully I can keep it up. Good cards sold here. Talk about that in a members video. Or I will next week. Members, again, I think some people are coming back into the fold. I see a lot of re-sign ups. Again, I thank you very kindly. Come on, sleeves. Cooperate. And I put out a new members video yesterday. And I don't know if I'll be able to do my plan. Again, I want to do a members what sold video, talking about what sold and why I listed it for the price I did, and blah 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 blah, yada yada yada. And so do that like Monday or Sunday. Yeah, Monday. And then maybe sometime during the week do another members video. Oh, this is what I wanted to show you the other day. These are, again, also, there's only 12 different postcards in this box. And I bought this from the dealer in Pennsylvania. Bought out his antique mall booth. I always thought Lincoln Highway, it's a bolo, kinda. Not sure if it is anymore. But this is the Grandview Ship Motel, or Hotel, 1950s. Anytime I came across this card in a dollar box, I would buy it. Because I thought that, it's a great card, 1950s cars, it's the Lincoln Highway. That's not there anymore. They're really not that rare. I don't know how many times I bought her for $1. They sell just slowly. No, that's not. I'm pulling it. I just wanted to show it to you. I didn't sell that one, but there's another one in here that number 12, I think. This is another card that I would buy anytime I saw it for $1. I would buy it. 1950s cars, Monroeville, kind of a nicer area, at least if I remember right, of Pittsburgh. You got the old strip mall. It's just, that's probably, I don't even know if that's still around, if it's close. It's like it's a cool postcard. But again, I got 150 of them. But what am I selling these for? I probably had it for $3 and sent out an offer. So $2.44 after taxes. You know what? Or after all the fees, it's probably it's a dollar card. It's a $1 box card. Please go back down. Lost my train of thought. What I was talking about, I have no idea. AY2. I think I have a couple of these AYs. Got a little fat on that one, unless there's some multiple cards. Up. Brand new finger goo. At least I remembered this morning. So, but yeah, anyway, I've always said, circling back around, that's the ADHD. I've always said that eBay's held together with spit and bubblegum. So again, I had AI, ChatGPT, do the thumbnail. How about that one yesterday? That's why I said AI may not take over the world. It couldn't even add the B into the thumbnail. I thought that was funny. Oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of cards in here. So what's this one? A whole bunch of nice real photos from towns and churches. I got like 20 of them. Get it in focus there. And pretty cool, like a cemetery. Just I got a bunch of them, and they're not selling. So, but yeah, eBay. You figure they've been at it for what, 20? I've been at it 27, 30 years. I think is the anniversary coming up. 30 years. I wonder if there's any listings that have been up there the whole time. 30 years ago, you figure no pictures back then. I think my oldest listing's probably in the 12 to 15 year range. But so just even over the last couple of years, how many total listings are on eBay, and it just has to keep adding to it. And you just, all the new features, they just keep adding on and adding on and adding on. Something's, oh, it's a plain card. I gotta get up and get that one. I'll pause that. You figure something's gotta give, Old technology and new technology. Does it really mesh? Can you convert it? So it's just like, oh, that ain't good. Something's stuck. Sorry. I think I was on that card. No damage done. That card. So anyway, that's it. It's just getting. Seems like it's harder now. It's more of a fight. It seems like to end and relist and just to keep things going. But anyway, hold on. I'm rambling. And the last one. There. I don't know if. You know what I needed to do with this? Says I have quantity of 2. This is back. Okay, the airplane cards. When before I merged them, eBay used to count listings. Like if I had 50 of these cards, but it was only one listing, they would count it as against my cap that this would be 50. So I started, when I listed the airplane cards, the main thing was I wanted to list it and the full quantity I had, so I would never have to touch that listing ever again. But I quickly ran up against I think it was 100,000 listings or something like that. So I had to go through and add 5 of these or 3 or whatever. But anyway, now that they lifted that, I don't know, a year ago, 2 years ago. So I have 150 of these, but on eBay it says I have 1 left. I don't care to do that, where you only have 1 and then it ends and, people are going to miss out on it. No, I don't care about that. I'm going to list all 150 or quantity that I have, but, I put 125 just in case something ever happens. $3, sure. For a penny, absolutely. Penny is what it cost me. I don't think I'm 5% ad rate. And there we go. So that's it. 16 minutes of shite again. So thank you again, members. There's a member video out yesterday. Did some little shorts too. Man, I get a lot of hate. A lot of downvotes on the little shorts, but that's okay. They're fun. It's kind of amusing to see the 1,500 views and people just 9 seconds, 10 seconds, and they hate them. I don't care. Okay, everybody. Hope you have a good day. Probably got to walk to the post office, so keep listing, keep listing, keep listing.